Let's be real. How to actually make money trading Forex. No fake promises. How to actually really make money trading Forex or crypto or any financial markets, whether it's commodity, crypto, any financial market that you like to trade. How to actually real make money. There are 5 steps that you need to follow so that you can actually make money. It's easy and simple. Now, trading app that you need the MetaTrader 5. You can also use MetaTrader 4. Now you get this platform using just Google Play Store. Once you've downloaded this trading platform, you now need a trading account. Now to have a trading account, it's simple and easy. I'll show you the steps as to how we go about having a trading account. First, you need the apps, all right, trading app, which is MT5. And second, you need a trading account. I'll show you the steps how to actually open a trading account. Then you need to deposit money. You can also use the demo money that they provide on the broker when you open the demo account. Then you need to analyze the chart. The chart here, this graph that you see here, we need to do analysis, all right? Now you need to analyze the graph. Simple and easy. Analysis. I'll show you how to do the analysis using the Bozza strategy and also how to know when to buy, when to sell, right? Now, you also need to execute trades once you've actually done with your analysis, right? And you can now withdraw your profit, all right? This is actually legit because these brokers, they are regulated that we're using. So if someone promises you that they'll invest for you, you'll get returns in 24 hours, more in less than 24 hours, just know that it's a scam, all right? You have to deposit money and analyze, execute a trade, apply risk management, then you withdraw the profit, right? You can withdraw the money that you've deposited and you can also withdraw the profit. Now, the trading app, MetaTrader 5, you use Google Play Store, you can also use Apple Store. Now, the trading account, it's simple. You go to our YouTube channel, Bozza Trader, and you subscribe there, right? You subscribe to our Bozza channel, you visit the channel, you search the channel, and you subscribe here. Once you've subscribed here, you click there, right? Once you've clicked here, you will see Blueberry. This is the broker that we are using to actually trade the financial market. So you click here, you only follow 5 steps, right? 5 steps. It's simple. Now, once you've clicked there, it will take you to a landing page where you will have to now register your trading account and make sure that you join our trading group. Now here you enter your email. It's simple and easy. This is the easiest way for you to register a trading account. Now you enter your email address here. I'll enter my email address. Please do not use this email address. It's only for you to learn, right? Trader Bozza. This is my email. And please do not enter my email here. Enter your email that you are using. Now, I'll use my password here. This is actually a demo for you to know what kind of a password are we using, all right? So that you are safe, right? This is the password and keep it secret. Sign up, all right? Trading account here. We're getting the trading account. It's simple and easy. So once you've done signing up here, it's simple. Now, it will take you here. You just have to fill up just some few details. It will locate you. If it didn't locate you, your country of resident, then you actually change there. Now you click continue. Make sure that you checked here on nationality and then you click continue. It's that simple and easy. This is the easiest way for you to actually have a trading account. And this is the best broker, Australian broker, regulated, and you can be able to use it to do the analysis, and you can connect it to TradingView. You can connect it to MT5. I'll show you how to actually connect the account once you've done. Now you enter your personal information here. 2 names here. I always recommend 2 names. Do not enter 2 names. Just enter your names, guys. Please enter your names here. If you have 2 names, you enter your 2 names. If you have 1, you just enter the 1 name, or you type 1 name. Say name here. Last name, you enter or you type your surname. Simple. Date of birth, you start with the date, right? The date, right? And then you go to month and the year. So you were born on the, you can type here. You can choose to type. Let's say you were born on the 10 and your July, July, it's June, yes, it's June 2001, right, or 19 something, right? But you must be 18 and above. Now, you phone number, you select here, and then you search here, you type, right? Let's type here, or we can just choose any country, let's say Australia, and then we enter our number there. It must start with it must be like this. And please do not call this number, it's just for demonstration only, for you to actually understand. Now we search the address here. All right, we search the address there, and we say it's let's search all right, just like that, and then we scroll all the way down. Make sure that you enter the address building here, and we say go big. Yeah, go big, just like that. Zip code, let's say 18001. All right, you can change if it's South Africa, you're using the South African number, it's fine, you can use it. You can use, just make sure that that's your number. All right, you do not enter this number. Then national ID, you enter the national ID that you have over here. This is just demo. Please do not use this one, it's demo. Use your own. Then you click continue. It's simple and easy. Once you have now actually completed the, you see 1 2 3 4, only 4 steps that you need to take just to open the account. Now it will load. My internet is kind of low, and then once you're done, you have the trading account now, which is tick. Now it's time for us to, we can either deposit money or use the demo money that they provide, which is a free money that we can use, virtual money, and we cannot withdraw this money. It's just for us to actually use it. Now you'll get a welcoming note here, just like this, and if you got this welcoming note, you can choose to verify the account. Now you can see here, deposit up to $5,000 and trade. After that, you'll be asked to verify your identity. So which means you are allowed to actually use this account without verification. But I highly recommend that you verify the account. Now I can click cancel here. I can click select account type. So let's go click select account type, and we can click select account type, and then it will actually take us to choose the account that we actually have to select, and I'll recommend the best account that you have to select. Now we have standard, we have the raw. I recommend the raw here. The raw is a direct account, direct to the liquidity providers. If you don't know how brokers works, we have another tutorial on our channel, so please, you can just check that tutorial. And the standard account, if you like to trade the fundamentals, if you are new to fundamentals trading, I recommend that you actually use the standard account. But this one, it's for you to use the Bozza strategy when you do the analysis. And we click next. Now, once we've clicked next, we'll have to select the currency that we would like to use. We want to use the USD, and then platform, we want to use the MT5, the app that we are actually looking at. And leverage, maximum choose 500. And I'll explain, because some of the traders, they would like to know what about full margin. All right, we have another tutorial on this channel that explains about full margin when you use the 500 1:500 leverage, and then you click next. Now you'll get your login details via email with the password. So you'll actually copy that and be able to link it to MT5 app, and then start placing your buys and sell. Because some of the traders are asking me how to actually play Forex. Then you can be able to start placing your buys and sell. Now it will keep loading because my internet is kind of low, and you'll be able to see your balance here. You can see below here. You can see here. This is where you see your balance. This is the raw account, a demo account that you can use. This is live account. Sorry, this is live account. Demo, it's here. It's here. Demo, it's here. This is the live account. Since we were opening the account, this is the live account. You can now deposit, and you can transfer, you can withdraw. Now let's go to demo. For those who like to actually start with using demo to practice, you can click create here. You can click create here, and once you've actually clicked there, you select the account type, raw, and you enter the amount of money that you would like to have, which is good, right? And I would like to have $250, and then I will choose here the currency, and I would like to use the USD. And trading platform, I would like to use the MT5. And leverage, I would like to use the 1:500. So I'll have to type here, or 1:400, it doesn't matter. You can choose the 1:500. I recommend this one, and then you click next. Simple. Now you have the demo account, you have the live account, and you can now link the accounts to MetaTrader 5. I'll show you how to do it without having the error of authorization fail, invalid trading account. But just remember, this account, you only have 30 days to use it to practice the Bozza strategy and be able to know how to buy, how to sell, when to buy, when to sell, set a stop loss, take profit, and also how to actually read the candlesticks and what asset are you looking for. You see your demo account is set up with email, your login details. So let's go ahead and look at the login details. This is the account that we have. We have the login ID here. So I can just easily copy it, but let's just use the email, right? Let's open our email and we click here. Please do not use these details, okay? Do not use these details for you just to know what's happening and how to register an account. You see, this is the account that we have, the login password, and the server here. Server is important. It's important. So let's actually copy the login ID and open MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 5 app. This is MetaTrader 5 app. I already have a real account here, and I can click here. This is my account, real account, and click manage account. I have two accounts, right? I have two accounts, and then I click this plus icon over here, and now I search Blueberry, right? Blueberry, it's simple. Blueberry, Blueberry, just like that. And this is what we are looking for, all right? And we click here, and we change the server. You see the server here, so that you don't have the error of authorization fail. It's demo here, and then we paste the login detail. Then now we have to copy that password. We go that site of email address, we copy the password just like that, and let's copy the login email address and the password. All right, we've copied it, and open MetaTrader 5 and paste it here. Then we scroll all the way down, make sure that here is saved, and we click login. It's simple. Now we have the demo account. You can see two names here. You see this? This is the account that we have. You click section codes, all right? You click section codes, you see the assets. Now, if you like to add any asset, you click this plus icon here. Once you click this plus icon here, you have the assets that you like to add. You can add the assets here by clicking this folder. If you like to trade crypto, you click here. Or if you like to trade commodity, you like to trade gold, you click the metals, and you scroll all the way down until you see gold. Here's gold. You can see, you click this plus icon, and then you added gold. You go back, and then you scroll all the way down. You'll be able to see gold, and you can now tap and go to chart. And once you go to chart, you can now use this icon to buy or sell. But I'll show you actually how to do the analysis, how to analyze these markets. It's simple using the Bozza strategy, because now we're going to the analysis since you've managed to open a demo account. But let's link the real account. Let's connect the real account. Let's go to Gmail, and let's scroll all the way down. Let's scroll all the way. Let's go back. This is our account. This is our account here. The real account, you can see here the real account. Let's copy the login ID. We repeat the same process. We go here, we go manage, we go plus icon. This is the broker that we're looking for, and the server here is 02. Not demo, it's 02. We paste the login here. We open a mail address. We copy password. We copy the password just like that, and I'll change this password so that those who are actually, I know some traders, they actually, if you have any error of authorization fail or anything like that, you see, now this is the real account, and you can go to codes, and you'll be able to see the assets, charts, you see the graph, the chart, trade, you'll be able to see the monitor, how much you're winning, how much you're losing, history, you'll be able to see the deposits and how much you have, and messages, you do not do anything here, all right? Now, you have the trading account, and you can go to Chrome again. This is the trading account that we have here, all right? And you can do this also on your iPhone. If you have an iPhone, you can do it on your PC if you have your PC. Now you have the demo, you have the live account. What about when it comes to deposit on real account? You click here, all right? You click deposit. It's simple and easy. So before we go to the analysis and withdrawal, let's go to deposit and withdrawal. So if you'd like to deposit, you click deposit here, and you deposit on your account. Now, the verifying of the account is simple, or verifying the account, it's simple and easy. Now, you have a limit of 5,000 and before you actually you're required to actually verify the account. You choose the payment method here. whether you want bank transfer or local South African EFT. If actually you'll have some different methods because right now we're in South Africa, so that is why. Credit card, so you can use the credit card and scroll all the way down, and you can now add how much money you like to deposit here, and you just tap on the 00, you cancel the 00, you cancel everything there. You like to deposit $50, right? You like to deposit your $50. Now you scroll all the way down and you click deposit. All right, and once you click deposit, please make sure that you are above 18. You are using your own details. You are not using somebody's ID, somebody's bank card. You must use your own card. Now this will take you to the deposit section where you'll be able to deposit your money and start trading, all right, with real funds. So if you have any issue, you will let me know, because these are the steps that you need to take actually for you to now make money. I want us to get to analysis before we actually take more time. You enter your card number here, your two names, your expiration date, and CCV code. CCV code is on the back of your card. They're not the 3 digits. You will see it on the back of your card, and you scroll all the way down and click deposit. It's simple. You can also deposit with you can click deposit here with the the bank, the local EFT, and you can also use the Google Pay. You can also use the Skrill here. You can use the Skrill if you're familiar with the Skrill, and I'll show you how my real account, but not on this lesson, how to actually deposit. But for now, we are done with the account. We have the account, we have the real account, we have the demo account, and now we can start. We can click here if we like to actually do some withdrawal or transfer. If you have many accounts, just like me, I have 2 accounts, and I have 3 accounts actually. You can also have a trading account to trade on TradingView. It's simple. So I'll show you another lesson how to actually have the account with TradingView. So anyway, let's go to analysis before I show you the MT4. Let's actually use the demo account. Let's use the demo account, but before we go to demo account, let's use our real account. Anyway, I like us to use the real account so that I actually demonstrate some of the things that you need to know and be aware of. Now on the analysis, all right, you go to codes. We're trading Nasdaq here, that's 100, and let's actually look for another asset. Let's look for gold. We click charts. All right, if there's something that you like to ask me, you let me know. We go to 15M. All right, this is 15M, and let me show you how to actually make money, do the analysis. And on gold already we had a sell. I missed the trade. We've missed the trade, guys. We've missed the trade using the Bozza strategy. I don't like this, right? Anyway, it's fine. I was doing some lessons with you. You can see right now, this is the Bozza strategy I'm talking about. This is what I'm really talking about every day. You can apply the Bozza strategy to make money, really make money. Let me explain it. I want to explain it so that everybody can understand what we are looking for, the candlesticks, and how we really trade just using the Bozza strategy. Right, here is an example of the Bozza strategy. All right, already it's happening here. I want to show you something. Pay attention. You see this period separator here, this dot line here, this vertical dot line here. How do you get it on your platform, MetaTrader 5? You tap here, you tap settings. Once you tap settings, you will make sure that your period separators are showing, and also the trade orders are showing, so that you can be able to see this horizontal line. You see what this sell is 0.01. If you make a sell, make sure that it's checked here and trade position is checked. Now you can now go back, right, and make sure that you are using the line type here is candlestick. Now you go back. Now you have this period separator here, because it's now this period separator here is showing you the starting of a day. This is 22 August, right? Now how do we use the Bozza strategy? It's simple. We look at the high price there. How do we see the high price? We see the high price by looking at these 2 candlesticks here. These are the candlesticks. If you're new to candlestick, how they work and how to actually read candlesticks, we have another tutorial on this channel, and I explain more information as to how we really use the candlestick here. Now we have, this forms a high price, and the high price is not fixed. That if right now we open, this is a new high, we've broken this previous high, not by week. A body, you know, when we're trading, the the candlestick, we are looking at the body so that we understand the supply and demand. The body, the color thing here, this is what we call once the chart, or we have this previous high price here. The previous high price, we're talking about this. So we have a break because of this candlestick over here. We have a break, it went above. So this is a break, right? And when we look below here, where do we have the low for the day? This is the low for the day. You can see this one, these two candlesticks, this is red and green. The high is green and red. And now we mark this. This forms our low of the day. It's simple. And now, once we have a break, which means the graph, the color thing, close below, right? And now what we wait for this chart to come back all the way up. When it comes back all the way up, now we are looking for the candlesticks. We're looking for the engulfing candlestick. This is engulfing candlestick. And the engulfing candlestick, we're talking about engulfing candlestick like this. It is simple. And some of you might not actually know what the engulfing candlestick that we're talking about. Let me show you here so that you can actually get a better understanding. You see this candlestick is small, this one is big. This is engulfing candlestick pattern, all right? This one is for buy, and this one is for sell. It's simple. Now, if right now we are looking to actually take a sell, we are taking a sell where? We are looking for one profitable trade per day here. This trade here. We're looking to take a sell here. All right, and if this one failed, we're looking to take a trade again here because we have another engulfing here. If right now, if we have another one here and this one failed, we're looking to take a sell here. But where do we place a stop loss? We place it here. For some of you who do not know how to place a stop loss, as you can see here, let me use a sort of a buy limit, a sell limit actually here. All right, already something happened, but I'm just going to explain some of the things so that you know what we are looking for. Now, let me click here. Once I've clicked here on this icon here, you'll be able to see the sell limit. And this is where we are looking for. You see this engulfing candlestick here. This is the candlestick that we're looking for to sell. Once I place this line here, this sell limit here, I see these features here, and I can tap on SL. If you do not see this, just make sure that on the settings you have turned on, or you have checked the we click SL. You have the trade show trade. Now stop loss is above here. You can see we're asking $2.33, and now we're getting to the risk management. $2.33. That's the risk that we are taking there. Because of what? Because of this engulfing here. Now TP is here. Take profit is here. Now we're getting to the risk management when we do the analysis, when we do analyze. So I don't want you to be confused as to how to play the Forex, how to actually trade the Forex. This is what you've got to know. So if you have some difficulties, we are still struggling, and now we're doing the analysis. Now we are getting to the part of risk management. Risk management. Now, with risk management, it's simple and easy. What you need in risk management is that if right now you have, let's say $50, you've deposited your $50, right? If you deposited your $50, this is your $50, and we have another this $50. If you deposit your $50 here, you have to divide this $50 by what? By at least the $2. The $2. Now, if right now you're gonna risk $2 per trade, that means that if you divide the 50 by 2, you'll get what? 25. And this gives you an edge to what? To trade the market many times. That you have 25 chances to actually make money. You have 25 chances of making money, and you have 25 chances of losing money. You have 25 chances of making money and making money. So if you keep your risk like this, all right, which means per trade. Now let's go to here. You can see this is $2, right? Profit. So if right now we are making a sell here, right? We're making a sell here, and on an average, we're expecting to profit at least $7 per trade. And if we take the $7 times by the 25, that will give you what? You can use your calculator there, and let's actually calculate together and say the 7 times 25. You see you have your $175 profit on an average, right? We're talking about average. We're not talking about maximum, we're talking about minimum on an average. Now, once you have your calculations like this, right, you now know that if right now you're going to trade, what's the win rate? The win rate, we're talking about something that is like this, 60% or 40%. So the Bozza strategy will be at 70% to 30%. That means what in reality, because when we are working with a percentage, some of the traders, some of us, we don't really understand what we're talking about. We're saying that you will win 7 times, all right? You will win, and you will lose only 3 times. Lose. That means that if you will win 7 times and lose 7 times, you will win 7 times and lose 3 times. That means that you will be in profit, because 70% of the time you'll be winning. Only 30% of the time you'll be losing. You're not gonna run away from risk. You're not gonna run away from losses, but you have to accept that you will lose. But once you're working with this, that's where you start to now understand that it makes sense now. Now I can make money. You understand? So this is how, actually, if you like to master this risk management, we have another tutorial on our channel. So now I trust you understand as to how we do the analysis. And please, if you are a beginner, this demo money, we cannot withdraw it, right? We cannot withdraw this demo money. I just wanted to show you this demo money. We cannot withdraw it, and we can only use it to analysis. We go to history, you'll be able to see this is a deposit that we have, and this is the money that we have. If you click here, you'll be able to see your names and all that, right? So I trust now you understand. If you like to trade the news, we have another tutorial on our channel whereby I explain how to actually use the economic calendar here to actually trade the news. It's simple. So I trust now you understand. But if you like to actually advance your skill, you like to join our tutorial. As you can see here, we have the UK 100 cash. We are looking to sell here. We are looking to take a sell over there. Now we can scan another asset such as SP500. You can also trade SP500. It's simple and easy, but only if you apply the Bozza strategy, because right now I'm giving you the strategy that you can use to actually trade the financial market, the real strategy. Now, when you look here, you can see we have a break here, right? The market came all the way up, and this is where we sell, stop loss above here, and this is the chart. This is what it did. Take profit was here. It is simple. Only one trade, profitable trade per day. You're not looking for more, only one. So I trust now you understand. This is how you read the graph. You use the 15M time frame. From some of you who are asking me, Bozza, what are we using? We're using 15M time frame. This 15M time frame simply means that each and every candlestick that you will be trading will be equals to 15M. So if you're trading the financial market, I want you to know that each and every bar that you see here that is red represent the time frame that we are using, and you'll be able to see the assets here. Some of the traders are asking me, Bozza, if you go to section codes, how to use this platform. This platform is simple. You see this asset here, we can buy and sell. It is simple. How do you know when to buy, when to sell? I've given you the strategy of how to actually place the buy, how to place a sell. But if you'd like to have more information and get more assistance, let me know on the comment section below. Now you can trade all these financial assets. It's simple. It's easy, all right? And you can use also the pencil icon here to adjust the charts, how you like them to be. You can go back, you can go to charts. When you go to chart, if you're new to the platform, you can see this arrow over here. You can tap and hold it. If you tap and hold like this, you'll be able to drag the chart the way that you like and create a room here. This price here that you see on the right is the price that this graph, all right, records. This blue and red line is a line that shows us price and bid price, and in between we have a spread. If we click section codes, we'll be able to see these numbers. These numbers, they represent a spread, right? So if you tap here, this is a time frame. You can see this is time frame. If we change to 5M, which means every candlestick will represent, if every bar represent 5 minutes time frame. This icon here is for orders, all right? And if you use the crosshair is just for you to see the date here below here. You can use it, move it around the way that you like. And you can also use this F icon here to add indicators. If you like to add indicator, the indicator that I recommend for you to actually use, we have another tutorial, Ichimoku. This is the indicator that I use. So we can go back. Now, what else actually are you confused about? It's simple. That's what you have to know. Right? History, you've managed, you look at how many trades you took. Trade, this is where actually, and charts, you can click here, you can click here, and you can click buy. Once you click buy, this will pop out disclaimer, and then you click accept, and then okay, and then now you can click buy, and then you can just tap here and move it like this, all right? and you see your order here of buy. You can tap the order. Once you tap it, you see this feature. You can tap SL and you drag and drag. Stop loss for buy is below, TP is above, and then if you click sell, the stop loss will be above and TP will be below, and then you can click this arrow and then modify. It's simple and easy. So if you like to use MetaTrader 4, right, if you like to use MetaTrader 4, you can use MetaTrader 4, but there's a difference between using MetaTrader 4 and using MetaTrader 5. So also, if you like to use TradingView, we have another tutorial whereby I explain how to actually use TradingView. So I trust you understand now. You have your account is live. You can now start trading. You can now start monitoring your account, and that's all that you need to do. So I trust by now you understand. So stay blessed. I love you all. I'll see you on another tutorial.